Now method of finding the equation of the plane if it is passing through three non-collinear points. First, I am discussing how to find the equation of such plane in the vector form. Equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Let us suppose the plane is passing through 3 points whose position vectors are vector A, vector B and vector C. Then its vector form, that is the vector form of the plane, will be given by the formula vector R minus vector A. What is vector A? Position vector of first point. Dot vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus vector A is equals to 0. This result you needs to remember to calculate the vector form of that plane which is passing through three non-collinear points whose position vectors are vector A, vector B and vector C. This will become you more clear if you will use and you will be with me for calculating the equation of the plane which is passing through three given points. The vector equation of the plane passing through first R, that is 2, 5, minus 3, S, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and point T's coordinates are 5, 3 and minus 3. To understand, suppose first point is given 2, 5, minus 3. I take it symbolically vector A, then position vector of this point with respect to origin. Vector A will be 2i plus 5j minus 3k. Vector B will be minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k. And vector C will be what? 5i plus 3j minus 3k. So, in first go, 3 points through which plane were passing, I have converted to putting ijk in its what? In its position vectors A, B, C. So, we know that this formula, we have calculated A, B, C, we will substitute the value of A, B, C. So, first we need to calculate B minus A. Vector B minus vector A is minus 4i minus 8j plus 8k. And C minus A, this minus this is 3i minus 2j plus 0k. Now putting the values of vector A, vector B minus A, vector C minus A, we will calculate, we will find R as it is, general vector xi minus yj plus zk, minus A means 2i plus 5j minus 3k, R minus A dot, what? B minus A cross C minus A is equals to 0. So ultimately this is the vector equation of that plane which is passing through three given points, this and this.